Happy morning to everyone. My son Bharati Tamil studying Montessori level 2 at Acharya Balashiksha Mandir. Last bit. Basically, I don't like board level teaching. So I was searched playway method based schooling. Then I joined Acharya last bit. Last 1 year, Bharati never get hatred or never get irritated towards the school. Always he liked to being in school premises because school environment are very calm and peaceful, and the teachers who are working in Acharya are so love and kind. The teaching method and teaching aids are very large means they are using all type of teaching, audio level teaching, audio visual, and then playway method, and then playing games, like many and more. There are more types of teaching available in Acharya. So I fully satisfied with the Acharyan family. Thank you.